Welcome back to our channel Bright Knowledge Healthy Living, your ultimate destination for healthy living tips and information. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of oats and exploring what happens when you make them a daily part of your diet. Oats have long been celebrated for their nutritional power, and you might be surprised by the incredible transformations they can bring to your health and well-being. Oats are more than just a humble breakfast cereal. They are a nutritional powerhouse that can positively impact various aspects of your life. From weight management to heart health, digestion to skin radiance, oats have a lot to offer. In this comprehensive video, we'll uncover the science behind the benefits of eating oats daily and explore the delicious ways to incorporate them into your meals. Get ready to be amazed. The nutritional treasure trove inside oats. Before we dive into the numerous benefits of eating oats daily, let's understand why they are such a nutritional treasure. Oats are packed with essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, complex carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are particularly rich in beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber known for its health-boosting properties. The presence of beta-glucans gives oats their unique ability to reduce cholesterol levels, stabilize blood sugar, and promote overall well-being. Oats and weight management. One of the most sought-after benefits of incorporating oats into your daily diet is their role in weight management. Oats are a satiating food, meaning they help you feel full for longer, reducing the urge to snack on less healthy options throughout the day. Additionally, the fiber in oats slows down digestion and the absorption of nutrients, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent sudden spikes and crashes. This steady energy release can aid in controlling your appetite and preventing overeating. Oats and heart health. Oats are often hailed as a heart-healthy food, and for a good reason. The soluble fiber in oats, primarily beta-glucans, has been extensively studied for its ability to lower LDL cholesterol levels, commonly known as bad cholesterol. By reducing LDL cholesterol, oats contribute to a decreased risk of heart disease and stroke. Moreover, the antioxidants in oats, such as avenanthramides, help protect the delicate cells lining your arteries and further promote cardiovascular health. A daily serving of oats can be a delicious step toward a healthier heart. Oats and digestive wellness. If you're looking to improve your digestive health, oats are an excellent addition to your daily diet. Oats are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which aids in maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The soluble fiber in oats forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract, which helps soften and bulk up stools, making them easier to pass. This can be especially beneficial if you struggle with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or occasional constipation. Oats and skin health. Your skin reflects your overall health, and oats can play a role in achieving that coveted radiant complexion. Oats contain compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making them suitable for soothing irritated skin and reducing redness. Oat-based skincare products, like oatmeal face masks or bath soaks, have been used for centuries to alleviate various skin conditions, including eczema and psoriasis. Incorporating oats into your diet can complement these external treatments by promoting skin health from the inside out. Creative ways to enjoy oats every day. Now that we've established the incredible health benefits of oats, you might be wondering how to incorporate them into your daily meals. Here are some creative and delicious ideas. Classic oatmeal. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal. Top it with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for added flavor. Overnight oats. Prepare a batch of overnight oats the night before by soaking oats in your choice of milk and adding sweeteners, fruits, or nuts. Grab and go in the morning for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Oat smoothies. Add oats to your morning smoothie for a thicker, more satisfying blend. They add texture and keep you full until your next meal. Oat flour. Swap out some or all-purpose flour with oat flour in your baking recipes for healthier muffins, pancakes, and cookies. Savory oat recipes. Don't forget savory oats. Try oat risotto, oat-based veggie burgers, or use oats as a binding agent in meatless meatballs. Conclusion: embrace the oat revolution. In conclusion, the benefits of eating oats every day are nothing short of remarkable. From weight management and heart health to digestive wellness and glowing skin, oats offer a myriad of advantages that can transform your life. Embrace the oat revolution and make this versatile and nutritious ingredient a staple in your diet. Remember, the key to reaping these benefits is consistency. Incorporate oats into your daily routine, experiment with different recipes, and watch as your health and well-being flourish. With the power of oats on your side, you're on a journey to a healthier, happier you. Thank you for joining us today on Bright Knowledge, Healthy Living. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on living your best, healthiest life. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay happy, and until next time, keep shining bright. Thanks for watching.